Hey guys, just want to give you a really quick video on how the spine has everything to do with gut function, and then how that equates to issues with brain function, depression, issues with Alzheimer's, and it's amazing how your body's all connected. And so first and foremost, as a chiropractor, you guys know that we take the spine very seriously, and I'm going to show you why here. And so I'll point the picture to this diagram here. So of course, you guys know this is the nervous system. So this is the brain that is connected by your spinal cord and basically sends all the signals to your gut. But the fact is that most people's postures, unfortunately, lose the structure of the spine. And so from the front, it should be straight. From the side, you have these 45-degree angles. And unfortunately, kind of like if you see this picture here of a neck, instead of having an arc like this, people start to hover forward. And this head forward posture, where our head starts to shift forward, it puts a lot of pressure on the spinal cord. But specifically here, I want to talk about this nerve here called the vagal nerve. So the vagal nerve, this one, vagus nerve, goes in and innervates all organs of the autonomic nervous system, such as your heart, your lungs, your digestive organs. And so when we have interference to the nervous system, specifically up here in the upper neck at the brainstem, because we have a head forward posture and we lose these curves, it actually chokes off that spinal cord, not only causing sometimes neck pain. Sometimes people have issues with, balance or wherever, thyroid issues, but most importantly, that nerve gets destroyed. It starts to alter function of the organs, and so we call the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. This actually starts to shut down, and so then creates issues with digestive issues, with high blood pressure, with gut function. And so then once you have gut issues, or whatever the case, problems with digesting food, all these organs start to not function, and then inflammation starts to occur in the gut. Unfortunately, here in the gut, as we know, it's like your second brain. And so if you have inflammation here, you'll start to get leaky gut syndrome. Before you know it, now undigested food is now going into your system, creating an autoimmune response, and then that equates to other issues. So not to mention then you go to the doctor with all these symptoms over here because there's lack of that life flow. And then unfortunately, the medical model is used to pointing us into two solutions if there's problems here, which is either a drug, or they'll just say, we'll just cut out that organ. We'll cut off the thyroid, we'll cut off half of your gut, we'll cut off your gallbladder, whatever the case. And so unfortunately, then it's you're either put on a drug or something's taken out instead of looking at what's causing it. So as a chiropractor, we always say, you know what? First, faith. Number one, this is mindset, how you think about your health. But then second, if you've never gotten your nervous system checked, that's like the number one thing to do. That orchestrates everything. And then of course, nutrition's key, exercise, toxicity, all these matter, but they matter. And the fact is most people neglect the nervous system. They have no idea how vital the nervous system is, what carries that life that God put in the body to heal. So this is where, as a chiropractor, that's what we check. And so if you've never gotten your nervous system checked, check it now, guys. Wherever you go, just go see a chiropractor. If you want, if you have questions, if you're in fear of chiropractic, just find the one that suits you. If you have any questions, call me or make a comment here, and give us a call. Like this page and share it. And thank you guys for listening, and go get better. God bless you.